First things first, I appreciate your support. If your machine is taking long to wash, check this. That water is not enough. The pressure is too low. I put it on a quick 20. Time hasn't moved. It's almost 7 minutes and the machine is not washing. So if you don't have enough water pressure, hey, for a top load you can manually pour water in there. If you can't and you don't have water, please hand wash, because you're straining the inlet valves that are here. This is what puts in water, so they are straining. So this is not the correct water pressure for a washing machine. Don't play yourself. Remember to clean the filters.